Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Sharex and confirming permissions so capture works immediately. Select Screen Recording, MP4, if you want video. Choose GIF only for short loops. Once done, pick your audio source and use the audio/video settings to test levels. This prevents silent clips. Make sure to set an output folder and file naming pattern so recordings save predictably. Start with a short test capture to verify frame rate, resolution, and audio sync before recording important content. You now refine the recording. Choose your capture area, full screen for demos, window for apps, or region for specific UI elements, and assign hotkeys to start and stop for speed. Next, open the FFmpeg settings to adjust encoder, bitrate, and frame rate. Higher bitrates preserve quality but increase file size. Enable cursor highlights or keystroke overlays when demonstrating actions so viewers follow easily. Once configured, save the profile so repeated recordings. Start recording with your hotkey and watch the tray indicator so you don't miss a state change. When you stop, use Sharex's task list to trim, convert to another format, or upload directly to your chosen destination. This keeps editing light and fast. If you encounter audio lag or dropped frames, reduce bitrate or resolution, update the FFmpeg build, and test again. These steps usually resolve performance issues. Finally, label and organize your saved files so you can find them later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.